Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new topic, the plane. Then what is plane? A plane is a surface such that if any 2 points are taken on it, then the line containing these points lies completely in it. Equation of a plane in different form. First, plane perpendicular to a given direction and at a given distance from origin. It is also called normal form. Vector equation means vector equation of plane in normal form. Let O be the origin and ON be the perpendicular from O to the given plane. O be the origin and ON is perpendicular from O to given plane such that ON equal D, means distance of this plane from origin is given D. Let n cap be a unit vector, n cap be a unit vector. Then if we want to write ON vector, then ON vector is given by unit vector into magnitude, means magnitude into unit vector in the direction of ON, means n cap. Let R be the position vector of any arbitrary point P, means P represents any point lie on this plane. Then OP equal R vector. No. If we want to find NP vector, then NP vector is given by NO plus OP, triangle law of addition. From triangle of addition, NP vector equal NO plus OP. Then NP vector is given by OP minus NO ON vector. We can write NO vector in minus ON vector form. Then NP vector equal OP vector is R vector and ON vector. ON vector is D n cap, where D is the distance of this plane from origin and n cap is unit perpendicular vector to this plane. Then since ON vector is perpendicular to NP, it means scalar product of NP and ON vector is equal to 0. Scalar product of NP vector, value of NP vector is R vector minus D n, and ON vector is unit vector. It is NO equal to NO vector, means ON vector can be written as n cap. It is minus n cap, but we write it n cap. Then R dot n cap minus D n cap dot n cap. R dot n cap minus D n cap dot n cap mod n cap square, and the magnitude of unit vector is always 1, means we get R dot n cap minus D equal 0. It is the normal form of equation of plane. Where n cap is unit normal vector perpendicular to this plane, and d is the perpendicular distance of this plane from origin. Now if we want to write it in Cartesian form, let L, M, N are direction ratio of n cap. We know that direction ratio of unit vector are the direction cosine of given vector. Then n cap is given by Lx plus My plus Nz. Sorry, n cap is given by Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. Let any arbitrary point on the plane is given by xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. We know that r vector dot n cap equal d. Put the value xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot n cap, and the direction cosine direction ratio of n cap is a unit vector, then its direction ratio lmn li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap equal d. The distance of this plane from origin. We get lx plus my plus nz equal d, and it is the Cartesian equation of normal form of a plane, where d is the distance from origin of this plane and lmn are the direction ratio of normal vector. Now standard form of a plane. Say equation of plane in normal form is given by r vector dot n cap equal d. We know that unit vector n cap can be written as n vector by mod n, by the definition of unit vector. Any unit vector r cap or any unit vector n cap equal n vector mod n vector. We know that. Then we get r vector dot n vector equal d mod n vector put equal d dash, and we get r vector dot n vector equal d dash, and it is standard form of a plane. Now if direction ratio of normal vector are A, B, C. Now it is normal vector, means it is not a unit normal vector. Let its direction ratio are ABC, then n vector is given by AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap. Put the value, and R vector is R represent any arbitrary point x, y, z. Then R dot unit normal vector and its direction ratio are A, B, C equal D dash. We get AX plus BY plus CZ equal D dash, and it is standard form of a plane where D equal a constant and ABC are direction ratio of normal vector which is perpendicular to the plane.